system has particular titles that are peculiar to that system. If you are a PhD holder and you are teaching in a secondary school, there are so many PhD holders in the secondary schools. The highest you can get to is probably a director. If you're a PhD holder in a polytechnic or colleges of education, the highest you get to is a chief lecturer. If you're a PhD holder in a university, the highest you get to is a professor. Therefore, I don't expect to find a professor in the secondary school. I don't expect to find a chief lecturer in a university. So now saying that how many professors do you have there does not even come to count at all. I am saying that professor is a creation of recognition of your performance.
But
if you teach
were
in the
to be
university,
upgraded, then
fine,
they
can now rise, yes, because professor or professorial chair is peculiar to the university. So if polytechnics are upgraded, of course, you are expected, rather than now calling yourself a chief lecturer, if you have required qualification and you have performed wonderfully well academically, of course you will be awarded a professorial chair.
All right, Moro Fadebaki, Deputy Rector at the Yaba College of Technology. Thank you for coming on.
Thank you very much for having me.
Right.
Thank you.